everything about you.
Hello guys, it's Allanna here. It's currently 6 something in the morning and it's honestly way too early for me, and of course I stayed up way too late and I literally forced myself to make my bed so that way I wouldn't get back into bed. I'm pretty tired, not even gonna lie, but yeah, good morning nonetheless. Today is my first day of college ever, so I'm excited for today. I'm excited to be bringing you guys along with today. I'm gonna be vlogging, you know what, because why not? You only go through your first day of college once, so you know, it's gonna be exciting. But yeah, I definitely need to start getting ready, that is for sure, because there's definitely going to be a lot of traffic going in today and it's going to take me forever to find parking according to literally everybody that's told me. I'm going to go ahead and start getting ready, but definitely be sure to give this video a big fat thumbs up and subscribe if you have not already for new videos. I promise all my videos don't start off with me sounding this tired and exhausted. I promise. But yeah, I'm gonna get ready now. So I am curling my hair for today. I honestly have been doing a pretty good job of not curling it as much lately, but you know what, it was partially curled from yesterday, and then the curls just kind of all got kind of crazy because it was humid outside yesterday, so my hair just got humid and they weren't even really curled anymore, so I'm just recurling my hair. So that's what I'm doing for my hair today, and yes, I did spray heat protectant spray in my hair first, and I also already did my makeup off camera just because there's nothing really too significant about my makeup, so that wouldn't really be that fun to watch. And yeah, and I am definitely very hungry right now, and very tired, but that's okay. I have a good cup of coffee that I made last night and stuck in the fridge because I am someone that likes cold coffee. I'm not a hot coffee person. I'm definitely team cold coffee. Let me know in the comments if you like your coffee hot or cold. I am definitely cold brew and iced coffee type of person. But yeah, and I would definitely usually be listening to music right now while getting ready, but I kind of can't do that with YouTube and all their copyright stuff. So getting ready with music without music right now it is, which isn't the best either. But it's all good, it's all good. Alright, so my hair is done and I am dressed. I am just gonna show you guys my outfit for today. I'm honestly just going with this all black jumpsuit right here just to keep it simple as far as picking out an outfit, but it looks nice and is comfy at the same time. And this one is the one that just has little buttons going down the front and a little tie here around the waist. Not too sure if you can really see it because it's kind of dark, but yeah, and then my rings I always wear every day, my charm bracelet, and then a simple little necklace, and yeah, that's about it. Oh yeah, and then these little like sneaker Tommy Hilfiger type shoes. So before I went ahead and took off, like I am in my car, I'm gonna be on my way driving to school. You know, I'm ready. My mom did her usual like take pictures on the first day of school, especially since it's the first day of college right now. But yeah, I'm good to go, especially since I've got my coffee now. I'm all good. I feel a little more awake, but yeah, I just thought I would do this before I started driving because I definitely don't want to vlog and drive, and that was awkward. A car just drove by and saw me do that, or saw me vlogging right now, but that's okay. So yeah, I'm gonna go head to class. Probably gonna be a bunch of traffic, but I'll see you there. Okay guys, I made it to school, found a parking spot that honestly didn't take me as long as I thought it was going to.
honestly probably just because I just went straight for the back of the parking lot. I didn't even try finding one closer up because I know a lot of people were doing that. But yeah, I'm gonna get out now and attempt to find my first class.
Like where you at. I like everything about it.
Alright, hey guys, I am back. So I'm kind of like sweaty and gross looking right now. I actually just finished my workout. It's like 2:21 right now actually. So I kind of, oh, somebody's texting me. I kind of kind of forgot to vlog in between my class periods. Well, okay, so after my first class period, I met up with Josh, and I actually kind of forgot to vlog that. Oh, there's people coming near my car. This is gonna be awkward. Oh well. Oh well, I'm never gonna see these people again, most likely. But yeah, so I actually met up with Josh, and we kind of walked around, and I went and, oh my gosh, I can't talk. So I actually met up with Josh and we walked around, and I just kind of figured out where all my other classes are going to be, like in the different buildings for the rest of the week. And then after that I went to my second class period. That was great, other than the fact that it felt like there was no air conditioning in that classroom at all. And I know it wasn't just me because the girl next to me said the exact same thing. But you know, that class seems like it's gonna be interesting. It's a science-based class. I'm not a fan of science, but you know what? I have to take it. And then after that, I actually went to the cafeteria area in the library, and I got Smoothie King, which was great. I got my favorite smoothie there, which is the almond mocha coffee high protein. If you haven't tried it and if you love coffee, I highly recommend it. I also always ask them to substitute almond milk in it because they do normally put regular milk. And then I sat down at a table and I actually met this one girl there. We talked about a lot of stuff, got her number and all that. So made a new friend. That was great. But yeah, and then right after that, I just went to the rec center, which is, you know, the gym, and worked out. And today was kind of like an experimental day. I just kind of walked around to see what kind of equipment there was and stuff like that. So yeah, I finished that and now I'm just heading home. Alright, so I am back home, of course. I showered and all that. I am clean because, you know, after I work out, I gotta shower. So I got all that done. I'm back home. I'm just chilling. And honestly, today's schedule worked out really well. You know, I still have so much of my day left that I can spend just to like get my own stuff done. So, and most of my, or pretty much every day that I have class is going to be this similar schedule. So I think this is honestly going to work out really great. But it does kind of suck that I forgot to vlog in between my class periods and after my last class. But now that I think about it, maybe it worked out better that I just didn't, because if I think about it, there was just lots of people everywhere. Of course, because it's a college. Duh. But yeah, I really would not want, you know, just random people kind of in my video, just because I try not to do that. And of course, you know, a lot of people don't really like just randomly being recorded. But yeah, I mean, other than that, my classes were great, and I honestly think like I'm liking my schedule so far, and I'm just excited for this year. Like, I'm gonna really try and figure out like things that are going on campus and just getting involved. And the biggest thing that I'm probably looking forward to most is just trying to meet new people, because there's so many people to meet, so why not try and make new friends, you know? But overall, today went really well. I really enjoyed my day, honestly. But okay, of course, not gonna lie, this morning was pretty hectic, and it was more so just like, of course, you know, I've never been to college before. Today was my first day. I was just trying to find classes and all that, and luckily I was able to find all my classes pretty okay. There was one of them that was a little confusing to find because it was, the building itself is just big, and I had to go down all these different hallways, and I felt like I was going through a maze in this building trying to find the classroom. But eventually I found it. It's all good, and I knew I was not the only one lost looking for their classes. I was like, you know what, it's okay. But yeah, I'm just honestly like, today was a good day. It really was. But yeah, I'm pretty much
just gonna see how this year goes. I know like every day is not gonna be exactly the same. I do have different classes on different days, of course, because that's how my schedule is, but my schedule, I love it already so far, and I'm looking forward to this year. So definitely be sure to give this video a big fat thumbs up. Comment down below how your first day of school went and what grade you're in, if you're in high school, college, whatever it may be. Subscribe to my channel if you have not already for new videos, and so that way you don't miss those videos. Turn on my post notifications so you will get notified every time I post a new video. You can tell I have so much more energy now compared to this morning. My gosh, this morning I was dead. I was like a zombie, but it's okay. Yeah, also follow me on Instagram at Allanna_Cuellar for just more updates on my daily life and, you know, stuff about upcoming videos and things like that. I love you guys so much. I will see you next time. Bye bye.